In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bills from emails in Xero. This is a handy feature that streamlines your accounting process by allowing you to automatically generate draft bills just by sending an email. Let's dive right in and walk through this step by step. Starting off, once you're logged into Xero, look towards the top of the screen where you'll find a menu bar. Click on Purchases. This section is crucial as it brings together all your bill-related activities under one convenient tab. By clicking here, you will be directed to a dashboard specifically dedicated to bills and expenses. Next, scroll down the options that appear in the Purchases section and select Bills. This action will take you to a page where you can view a comprehensive list of all your existing bills. It's essentially your main hub for managing bills in Xero, offering a clear overview of everything that needs your attention. Now, to create a new bill, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen and click on the New Bill button. This is where the magic begins. After selecting New Bill, you will see an option to copy your forward email address. Give that a click, and your forward email address will be instantly copied to your clipboard. This specific email address is pivotal to the process. It's essentially your personalized address within Xero. By sending emails containing your bills to this address, Xero will automatically generate draft bills and add them to your bills record. This method leverages the power of automation to save you a significant amount of time, reducing the need for manual entry and minimizing the chance of human error. Remember, each email address is unique to your Xero account, ensuring security and accuracy when importing bills. Simply forward your bill emails to this address and let Xero handle the rest. It's a seamless way to keep your digital accounting in order. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've set up Xero to automatically create drafts of bills from incoming emails. This feature not only improves efficiency, but also enhances accuracy in your financial management. If you have any questions or would like to explore more about Xero's features, feel free to reach out. Thanks for tuning in, and happy accounting.